back, my friends out there in YouTube land. Today's video, we're gonna be doing, hey, there's a speeder there. No, we're not gonna be doing anything on the speeder. We're actually gonna be telling you what does it take to restart and do maintenance on a rail line. We're gonna show you some of the guys that were involved in the past couple months and a little bit about the work that we've done to go back after 6 years of not running a train on these lines, what the Alberni Pacific Railway has been doing behind the scenes. So check it out. Okay, so here is our situation. Now most of the rail ties, spit your words out there decently, Chuck. You know how to speak. At least I think I do. Anyhow, I'm getting sidetracked already, as always. Most of these rail ties on a large part of the waterfront run here are in fairly good condition and don't need replacing. However, after the second crossing, things get a little ugly. See, look at a lot of overgrowth. Berries are all growing over here, and hold on, I'll show you. Besides the overgrowth of blackberries, you can agree with me that we're a little bit much there, and we use a couple of machines to do that. Now this guy here is kind of like a weed eater. It has two little heads with a string on it, and hold on, right there, see, like a weed eater string. And you can just go along, you can lift this up higher and do side bushes like that, or low bushes like that. So that's what we've been using to clean up. Okay, you can tell by the grass what's going to be happening here. Tall grass, my god, I can't talk yet, too early this morning, trying to get our act together. Yep, maintenance and cleanup before we run the first running of the train in 5-6 years. Wow. Now, and one of the other issues is ties like this, and like this, and yes, like this ugly guy here. Those ones need replaced. But those ones, we got ties, if you watch previous videos, from across the street. And the city, thankfully, has taken them all out. Actually, the city didn't take all of them out. We took 50 of them out, or so. You've seen previous videos, like I said. And we still got probably 300 here, and we have to replace at least 200 that I remember or recall. So that's what is next. Oh, look, we got something. Is it a bear? It's not a bear, it's a deer. Hey deer, what you doing today? You're in the, oh, you got a big scar on you. You're in your usual resting spot here. They like to hide here in the shade. So, well, see ya. You don't want to help? Okay, what we're going to do is take these ties over to the job site. Job site being the end of the railway where we have to replace all these ties. All the old ones that are falling apart. I'm going to, today, giving you a different view. We're giving you a bird's eye view, or in this case, a Chuck's eye view. Because you guys will not only be in my head when I tell you stuff, you'll be on my head because, hey, right there's a camera. Now, I can't work and video at the same time, so I came up with this brilliant idea of, bought one of these Osho, what is it called? Osho camera glasses. We're going to give that a whirl. We're going to try it and see how it looks. It's a beautiful week, my friends. Check it out. This week we're doing some railway work. I'm not going to get much time today, maybe 2 days this week. So, we'll see. Replacing railway ties. Gotta remember, move my head slowly so the camera doesn't get jerked around.
Richard. Now it's on. Right on. Slowly lower the line.
Perfect.
And stop. How is this? Good?
Should be okay.
Slowly raise the line. Good stuff. And stop. Left.
Whoa, it's gone.
Right on.
There we go.
Alright, slowly lower the line. And stop.
Gassy.
Stop. Slowly lower the line.
Actually, this one's not straight. Oh, stop.
And stop.
I'm trying to straighten the rope. Oh yeah, much better. Do I? Oh, shit. Oh, hold on.
Oh, hold on. Tom just came off.
Come on. Like that. I think I still screwed up. Okay. Try that. Okay. Up.
Okay. Slowly raise the line.
Screwed that one up. A lot. That's okay. Shit.
Alright, slowly left. And return.
It'll pull into you anyway. Oh. There we go. Oh, careful. That scared me.
Oh yeah.
So there you go, my friends. A heritage railway that uses heritage equipment. This is an old guy. Don't ask me what year it is, but I hope you liked the video up to now, because hey, next video we're going to replace those ties. That's going to be not a fun job, because I think we have to hand nail them like way back in the turn of the century, the 1800s, when they didn't have air tools and stuff, unless somebody will come and do it for us or donate some air tools or blah blah blah, whatever. So that means it's time to end our day here. The old Detroit diesel. Should have showed you how to how we shut this off and all the workings of it a little bit more in detail, but hey, maybe another later date. Anyways, we're out of here. Cheers, my friends. Have a good day. We'll see you next time. Stay awesome. Until next time.